Alright, so if your PC feels laggy, stutters when you open apps, or everything just responds slowly, you're not alone. In Windows 11, lag usually comes from background overload, bad settings, or low resources, not actual damage. So in 2026, let's go step by step and fix it properly. First, restart your computer. This clears temporary processes and instantly removes minor lag issues. Now open Task Manager and check what's running in the background. Close apps you don't need, they often cause hidden lag. Next, go to Startup Apps and disable unnecessary programs. Too many startup apps slow down everything from the moment you boot. Make sure your memory and storage aren't overloaded. Delete unused files and close memory-heavy apps. Turn off animations and transparency effects. This reduces system load and makes everything feel smoother. Make sure your system is fully updated. Old drivers or missing updates can cause serious lag. Run a full security scan. Viruses or malware can secretly slow your PC in the background. Switch your power mode to best performance. This allows your system to run at full speed instead of saving energy. Remove temporary files and cache. These build up over time and cause unnecessary lag. Finally, restart your PC again. After reboot, your system should feel noticeably smoother. So yeah, that's how to fix lag on a Windows PC in 2026. A few smart optimizations, and your system feels fast and responsive again.